Hello, YouTubers. This is Ham's Automotive, bringing another episode of How to Fix Your Car. I'm going to show you today how to remove the spider. Okay. So as you can see, this one's already out. Okay. This is what you got to pull out right here. Okay. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts. Okay. You're gonna have to remove the throttle body. The reason is that this bolt right here, the longest bolt, they bolt on the intake. Okay. Once you pull this out, okay, comes out. That's where you're gonna have a space here. Okay. The coil, it's where that's gonna be held up on a coil. Okay. So there is everything removed. Another thing you want to remove is this line here. Okay, this line is really important to move it. You will use a 16 or a 3.58, I believe. I use a metric, so I use a 19 and a 16. Okay, and then you remove this from here. So it's going to be a bolt here, and it's going to be a washer here. Okay, so you will detach the two hoses from here, goes out. So it's the first step, removing this line. Then once you remove that, put it to the side. The next step is removing all the bolts that goes around. I want to just count all these bolts. You gotta go around. Once you remove that, the piece is gonna comes out. Then this guy here, what you want to do is you want to pull here, and these little tabs, and pull the injector. So press that, pull. This guy here is going to be pressed right in here. Has this little clips. This little clips are held on this thing right here. So this is just a bracket. So you want to pry this bracket this way, like this, and push the other one. Okay, so you can get this piece up. So pry it, pull, and then you will disconnect every single injector. So when you pull it back in, it's not a big deal. You're gonna do the same thing, and if you cannot mess up, because there's numbers here. That's number 3, 4. I'm pointing here. I know I can't really focus really good, but that's 2, 4, 6. All right. Now another thing important that you have to disconnect this this connector up, and it has another tab here up, and that's it. The whole comes out. The whole thing comes out. All right. Another thing maybe we can point out, I'll get in another video, is how you change injectors in this thing. I do have another video how you can change how you can check the pulse on this injectors. Something very simple to do. Maybe I can just show you real quick. If you just want to check the injector pulse on this thing, all you got to do is find a noise light and stick it right between this pin and this pin. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They come in pair. All you do is put a noise light in here, and it's gonna light out. If it doesn't light out, that means you don't have injector pulse. Then therefore you have to go beyond, find out what you don't have injector pulse. Another thing that I need to point out is it's very easy too. I can probably give a heads up. In one of these wires, you're gonna have hot, which is a 12 volts permanently, and the other one is gonna be a pulse, which is probably a ground from the computer. So what you want to make sure is check every single one for 12 volts. If you have a 12 volt in every single of these guys, then it's your computer that's gone bad. Okay, because that pulse is coming from the computer. But like again, that's something advanced that you would have to know what you're doing, because you got to check also for a spark, for this, for that fuel related issue. All right, hopefully this video was good to you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. God bless you.